Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install these beautiful distressed butterfly locks. Butterfly locks are so popular right now. They're all the rage. They're super duper trendy. So if you're interested in seeing how to install these locks and learning more about them and where they're from, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get into this butterfly locks installation tutorial. So I'm starting off on my hair that's freshly washed. It's clean. I find cornrowing my hair to be a lot easier on wet hair. That's up to you. It's a personal preference. If you think cornrowing your hair on dry hair is much easier for you, do you, boo. I just like doing it on wet hair better. So as you can see, I do have one of the cornrows done. As you can see, I did a very jaggedy line. I actually got this this tip from Beauty Can Braid. I'm pretty sure you probably heard of her. She's like a famous braider here on YouTube. But I saw her install these exact locks. She is professional. I am not. So I'm trying to recreate what she did, but she did like humps, as you can see that I'm making right here. She didn't just do a straight line back while installing these crochet butterfly locks, and that is because I guess it makes it look a lot more natural. If you can see the parts and they're like jaggedy, and I did notice, and I still have these butterfly locks in right now as I'm, recording this narration, but I have noticed that it does look a lot more natural when you can see the parts of my hair and they're more jaggedy and crooked. It looks like they're like really my hair. So I really do like this trick. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm just doing a little bit of water on the section because it was drying out. Like I said, I like cornrowing my hair when it's wet. And I'm putting a little bit of this Curl La La product from Aunt Jackie's in my hair. And I'm just going to brush that through with my little detangling brush. And I'm going to cornrow my hair. So as you can see, I am now on my last cornrow, and I did do those jaggedy like hump type of parts for each part for my cornrows. But when I get to the back of my head, that's when I start to go straight down like a normal part. And I really do feel like those jaggedy parts do help with the natural look of your crochet style. So as you can see right here, I am braiding several of the braids together. You're going to see me do that in just 1 second. But yeah, like right here, I'm braiding several of the braids together like half and half. So I'm going to have like 2 pigtails going down in the back, and that's what I'm going to put up on the back of my head and sew it with this needle and thread, a basic hair needle and thread. I'm going to sew those long ends back up into the cornrows, so it'll be like flat against my head, and I can just crochet the distressed butterfly locks all on my head. So you'll see me here. I'm taking a regular needle and thread. You can get this hook needle and also the black thread from any beauty supply. And I'm just going to make a knot, and then I'm just going to use that hook to go in and out of the braid to basically sew it to the back of my head. If you've ever seen a stylist do a sew-in, or if you've seen a stylist actually do a crochet style, this is what usually that they do. They use a needle and thread to sew the hair to your head, or if they're doing the crochet style, to sew your real hair up into your cornrows so it's all flats like that. So now it's time to install these butterfly locks. They are from Toyotress, which is a company that's actually sold on Amazon. I got these off of Amazon. They came with a pack of 8, guys. 8 packs of these beautiful, gorgeous, distressed butterfly locks for $56.99, which is not bad at all. But guess what? That is a really great price, but I do have a discount code for you guys, which will be in the description box below. And also, there is a giveaway in this video. So 10 of you guys are actually going to win these locks for free. You're going to be able to test them out for free. Look at the detail. Look at how they look. The ends of them are just so like natural looking. Look at that. I loved how the ends looked. So the pack of 8 did come with the latch tool that you will definitely need for your crochet style. style to do this style or any crochet style. So what I'm doing, I'm starting off in the back of my head. What I'm going to do is take that latch tool with the latch open, put it underneath the cornrow, close the latch, pull the dreadlock through, open the loop that's at the top of the dreadlock, pull the length of the lock through that loop, and then pull it tight to my scalp. And you're going to see me go just do the entire back part of my head first. I'm going to show you right here. But yes, I just go straight across first. I'm covering all that bulkiness of my hair. I have a lot of hair, guys, a lot of hair to cover. So I do that part first, and then once that's all done, I start to work my way up each of the cornrows, and I'm just going to do that over and over with this latch tool. Put it underneath the cornrow with the latch open, close the latch, pull it underneath my cornrow, open the loop that's at the top of the dreadlock, pull the length of the dreadlock through, and pull it tight to my scalp. Alright guys, so I did use all 8 packs of locks. I used every single lock. There was not one left over. There probably could have been if I had a little bit less hair, but I do have a lot of hair to cover up, so that's probably why. But I do think for the price, $56.99, it did come with a great quantity of distressed butterfly locks. I really enjoyed this style. It's very simple to do. It was so easy to install them, especially if you break it up. Like I did the cornrows one day, I slept on them, and then the next day I installed them, and it only took me about an hour, maybe a little over an hour to do the entire head of locks. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like this style. If you're interested in these locks, if you're interested in winning them, or if you're interested in purchasing them, please check the description box below. I will have the giveaway rules and also a link to them and all their information down there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching once again, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you on my next one. Bye bye.